they've inspired me. Their courage. I mean, you don't realize what being incarcerated does to you as far as mentally and emotionally until you meet these women. And for them to be in recovery and to walk down the street and hold their head up and say, I'm not going back, is courage. So watching these women get up on their feet so they can be there for their children, it means a lot to me.